Come here. Hi, baby. Welcome home. You hungry? I missed you. Let's go to the back door. Let's go get a snack. There she is. You got a whole hot dog. You got a whole hot dog. Nope, you gotta wait for murder mittens. Whoa, is that side by side? Oh, bullshit. Well, they're both on point. They're like, Dad. Oh shit, they're side by side. Stranger danger, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go look for Duck. I need you to take hold of the house, okay? You take hold of the house and you watch it, all right? You're like a boy. Hey, you guys seen my dog? I know you seen my dog, you damn cobra chickens. Nobody likes you. You seen my dog? How about you? Have you seen my dog? Shady bastards. Nobody likes cobra chickens. This is my pond. It's like 5 miles from the house. Bring him over here every once in a while. I got some TikToks made over here with him mowing the yard with me. Of course, I ain't mowed the yard for the last 10, 12 days that he's been missing. But long shot, hoped he was here. Rare chance he'd make it clear over to Mom's pond, but gotta look for him. This is my kid brother's boat. Absolute long shot. Thought maybe he'd be here. But thinking again, I mean, he always rode here with me. Always rode in a truck. 5-mile drive. I don't know how in the hell he'd ever figure out how to get here. Excuse me. You guys seen my dog? No? Crazy ass deer. She had twins. This is a side me and Duck always come fishing on, and don't see him here either. If we was on the bank, this is where we'd be. Come here, Duck. Come here, good boy. Look at the shad movement. Every time I call for my dog, of course, I got to sit around and hydrate and make sure I give him time to show up in case he is in the area. Excuse me, thunder chickens. Have you guys seen my dog? Oh my God, there's baby thunder chickens. Have you guys seen my dog? It's black and white, kind of goofy like you guys. You seen my dog? Please? No? Look at the babies.